Bitcoin and the US dollar walk into a bar. The dollar smirks, saying, "People trust me. I'm stable." Bitcoin laughs, replying, "Stable? You mean like a roller coaster with a flat tire?" The dollar retorts, "At least I'm not a digital ghost." Bitcoin counters, "Oh please, you're printed like a cheap novel." The dollar shoots back, "Volatility is yours. 1 minute you're rich, the next you're a meme." Bitcoin grins, saying, "At least I'm not controlled by a bunch of suits." The dollar boasts, "That's called regulation, my friend. Ever heard of it?" Bitcoin fires back, "Regulation or manipulation?" The dollar chuckles, "Trust you? You're like a treasure hunt with no map." Bitcoin concludes, "At least I offer adventure. You're just paper with a history lesson." The bartender shakes his head, muttering, "You two should just get a room." The argument continues, leaving everyone laughing at the absurdity of it all. In the end, both are left questioning who really holds the power.
Okay, the video you just watched, that was made with one single tool, and you're not going to believe this. It handled everything. The script, the voiceover, the music, the captions, all of it. It all came from one simple prompt. I'm Soo, and this is the Soo AI. And in this video, I'm going to show you step by step exactly how I made that hilarious Bitcoin versus dollar face-off using an AI tool I recently discovered called Vidalgo. If you're into AI tools, content creation, you're going to love this. Let's jump in.
Here's the dashboard. In the prompt to video section, you just type a simple idea. For example, write a funny, satirical argument between Bitcoin and US dollar. Next, I'll choose English as the language for the voiceover. For music, I'm going with cinematic trailer. It gives it that dramatic feel. For visuals, I'll go with the cartoon style. For the voice, I'm picking Brian. I really like how it delivers the lines. Script style? Comedy, obviously. And in settings, you can turn on subtitles, add overlays, and tweak your preferences to make everything look polished. For video style, you can choose whatever fits your content. I'll go with story. Now let's hit generate. And here we go. It wrote the entire script automatically. And the cool part? You can tweak the script however you want. Make it yours. Once you're happy with it, just hit yes. And just a few seconds later, here's the result.
Bitcoin and the US dollar walk into a bar. The dollar smirks, saying, "People trust me. I'm stable."
Look at this. It wrote the script for me, and it's actually hilarious. The timing is great. The visuals? Super clean. The animation flows smoothly, and this was all done automatically. Now, if you're happy with it, you can download it right here. But if you want to tweak anything, maybe adjust a line, change a scene, or fine-tune the captions, just click Edit Now. This opens up the built-in editor. From here, you can adjust scenes, tweak captions, literally edit any part you want. So you're not locked into one version. You're in control. Once you're done, just click Export Video.
This is perfect for YouTube Shorts, TikTok, and Instagram Reels. If you're serious about creating content faster, definitely check it out. Links in the description. I'm curious to see what you guys make with it. And if you found this helpful, smash that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications. I'll see you in the next video.